Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is an update on my product review of this little cordless mouse keyboard. It's turned on. Hey, see, I got it set to light up red. It'll give you green and blue and I think yellow. And I've seen a purplish, violet. But anyway, I like the red. The green and the blue hurt my eyes. The red's nice and comforting. Okay. I wasn't too sure about this baby. I mean, I'm too young for Nintendo thumb. Right? Okay. The battery. Let's pop this off. You see, it's got one of them batteries. It's in all kinds of cell phones and wireless devices. There's a wall wart with a USB cord for charging. And of course, you can plug it into your computer, charge. You cannot use it while it's charging. Use or charge. There is no both. The downfalls. When the battery gets low, this baby gets squirrely. And your ordered a McMaster car could look like 100 monkeys on 100 typewriters, all coked to the gills. And don't worry about those brown spots on the paper. Yeah. Anyway, so keep it charged or be very careful before you push send. Anyway, it's got everything there you need. And if you're under the age of 8, or maybe you're from Alpha Centauri and your fingers are this long and you can, it is a bit cramped. I've found myself having to go like this. Unless I sit it, I'm right here in front of the camera on this piece of wood on the laptop. Doing like that, and that don't work. So it's gotten down to, I hold it like this. And hunt pecker. Oh, hunt and peck. I'm sorry. Oh, come on. Gotta inject some kind of humor here. And that was the only one that could sound organic. Whoa. Anyway. For $7, not bad at all. Wireless, rechargeable, small. Well, that's small. That goes both ways, I heard that about tiny, too. Good night from California.